Hi everyone, today we are doing Module 6 of Geometry in level level E of VMath, Lesson 2. So turn to page 11 to follow along and take notes. All right, so we have a lot of words in this lesson today too. So we're going to look down here about recognize and classify a polygon. So using symbols and then words. So if we look here, this says a polygon. That is a closed plane figure with straight sides. So notice that the sides have to be straight. A triangle is a polygon, so it is a polygon because it has straight sides with 3 sides. A quadrilateral is also a polygon, but it has 4 sides. Notice that the sides are still straight. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides, and an octagon is a polygon with 8 sides. So you can count the sides and figure out what kind of polygon it is. Penta means 5, hex means 6, octa means 8. Okay, so pentagon, 5, hexagon, 6, octagon, 8. All right, let's do a little bit of review here. So if we look here, we can see intersecting lines that have a right angle or a square corner. So that means that those lines are perpendicular lines. In number 2, we can see that we have 2 lines. If they kept going forever, they'll never ever touch. They'll never intersect. So those are parallel lines. Okay. If we look over here on the side, this will help you with these answers down here. So polygon prefixes. A prefix, remember, is what comes before a word in the word or the first part of the word. So tri means 3. So triangle means 3 sides. Quadrilateral, quad means 4. Penta means 5, hexa means 6, octa means 8. So we can look, and this will help you with other words in English as well. So tri means 3. So if we look here, we have 1, 2, 3 sides. So this is called a triangle. If we look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So this is called a quadrilateral. If we look at this next one, number 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this is called a pentagon. This is 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called a hexagon. And the last one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. This is an octagon. All right. Make sure you have those notes. Pause the video if you need to pause. This says, draw a ring around each triangle. Shade each quadrilateral, cross out each hexagon. All right, well, let's draw a ring around the triangle. So here's one with 3 sides. Here's one with 3 sides. We have 2 triangles. Shade each quadrilateral. So 4 sides only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then cross out the hexagon. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yep, cross that one out. That is 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 sides. So cross out that hexagon. This says, identify whether each figure is a polygon by writing yes or no. If we look at number 8, is this a polygon? No, because it does not finish the shape. It's not closed-sided plane, so this is a no. If we look at number 9, we can see immediately, are those all straight sides in number 9? No, so not a polygon. If we look here at number 10, are these all straight sides? Yeah, there's a lot of sides, but they're all straight, so that's a yes. This says identify each polygon, so we're going to write the names for these. So number 11, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 sides is an octagon. Number 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so that is a pentagon. And number 13 has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, so that is a quadrilateral. 4 sides. Good. All right, make sure you have those notes. All right, as a review, let's look at these again. A polygon, that is any closed plane figure with straight sides. Remember, it has to be closed. All the sides have to meet and the sides have to be straight. A triangle has a polygon with 3 sides. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. And an octagon is a polygon with 8 sides. All right, you're going to complete page 13 on your own. Make sure to ask for help and use your resources. Good luck.